हेलो guys, कैसे हो आप लोग? And what should I say? This is already like the end of all of the league football and it has been a crazy year. Already हमारा अभी भी UCL और यूरोपा लीग के तो फाइनलिस्ट बचे हैं, but rest everything is pretty much wrapped up. And there was one race जो last day तक चल रहा था. That was the EPL race. And as always, it's Pep Guardiola's day.
Congratulations मैनचेस्टर सिटी, फिर से तुम एक बार ये ट्रॉफी जीत चुके हो। क्या बात करें पेप की यार, उसने एक्चुअल में प्रीमियर लीग को फार्मर्स लीग बना दिया। ही इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली विनिंग, माइनर पॉइंट डिफरेंस पे जीत रहा, बट कैसे तैसे करके वो मैच निकाल लेता। एंड कहीं ना कहीं ये ट्रेंड शायद अगले सीजन भी होता हुआ हमें देखें।
Absolutely. So there is one reason why I won't call it a farmers league, but मैं उसके ऊपर बाद में आऊँगा. First, let's just talk about Pep Guardiola as a manager. This guy is freaking crazy, dude. Freaking crazy. If you guys would have noticed his interviews for last few days and all, when Guardiola scored crazy goals, when Foden used to score crazy goals, when De Bruyne is doing really well, वो इंटरव्यू में आगे सिर्फ ये बोलता है कि नहीं, गार्डियोल को थोड़ा और बेटर होना पड़ेगा, ये वो करना पड़ेगा, फोर्डन शुड बी मोर कंपोज, फोर्डन शुड बी मोर पेशेंट, ही कैन स्कोर इवन मोर चांसेस। वो बंदे ने अराउंड अपने XG को 7 से आउटस्कोर किया है स्टिल। ये सब हालैंड और डी ब्रुयने को भी वो सेम कमेंट्स देता है। दैट्स हाउ ऑब्सेस्ड एंड क्रेजी दिस गाय इज।
सुपर कॉम्पिटिटिव, ही ऑलवेज वांट्स टू विन एंड कहीं ना कहीं ये उसका जो ड्राइव है ये उसे पुश करते रहता है टू बी अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ हिमसेल्फ। एंड I could see a lot of Barcelona fans wanting him at Barca back because they need a serious revamp, and who better than Pep Guardiola to help them do so?
Absolutely. I mean, ये बंदा पागल है, ये बंदा ऑब्सेस्ड है फुटबॉल से। Because even if you see अभी वो चैंपियन अपना 6th प्रीमियर लीग जीता, उसके बाद भी 0% हैप्पीनेस। वो बस सेटिस्फाइड है, ऐसा कि प्रॉब्ली एक टास्क था जो उसको करना था और वो उसने कर लिया। On the other hand, when Klopp mentioned about Pep Guardiola, when Klopp spoke about him in his interview, he got pretty emotional. He was close to tears. This explains कि ये बंदा in a way कितना respect करता है अपने managers को, but he is just purely obsessed with football. He loves competition. जब कोई भी उसको push करता है, कोई भी उसको poke करता है, he gets absolute thrill out of it.
Yes. And उसका जानी दुश्मन कहीं ना कहीं यूरोपियन राइवलरी भी बनते हुए दिख रही है, रियल मैड्रिड वर्सेस मैन सिटी।
Absolutely.
So Ancelotti is surely gonna push him always in terms of the European title, and I hope Premier League में भी Klopp जैसा कोई आए जो उसे हमेशा push करे।
Correct. I mean, just look at it. The reason I said I won't call EPL a farmers league was because the level at which the competition is, or the level at which these guys are competing. Because if you just check out Pep Guardiola's seasons, I guess Liverpool just lost by 2 points. There was one season जहाँ पे Liverpool के both Mohamed Salah and Sadio Mane were joint top scorers. Golden Boot वो लोग के पास था, but City won the league by again 1 or 2 points. Last year भी Arsenal 1 point से आ रहा, this year also 2 points.
Next
So
year
it's crazy, and these are all into 90s, 98, 99. I guess the Klopp one was 99, 98 से कुछ हुआ था. And EPL before all of this was a league जहाँ पे it was so competitive. 89 points अगर तुम स्कोर कर रहे हो सीजन के, you get the league. Now तुम 98, 97 ला रहे हो, still you're not winning it. That's how crazy it has gotten under Pep.
But I feel if he stays over there for 10 years or something, there's no team that could match Manchester City. There's no team at this very moment.
Very tough
also,
to.
Next year, they would be having 200 million or 100 million to buy new players. Do you really think any team can compete against them?
It's tough.
No
It's tough to
chance.
say.
Like
That
even
is
Madrid is nothing in front of Man City. I mean, मटके में जीते हम, खुश मत होना Madrid fans, but that team is really good in terms of aerial, passing, defending. Even the left back or right back is so skilled that they can score goals. Chances कहीं ना कहीं से create होता है. Dude, I'm scared. That's perfection of football.
And this time it was a very wounded Man City team जो बहुत struggle कर रहा था injuries के साथ. Stones was a great man for last season. वो आधे से ज़्यादा season injured था. De Bruyne was injured. Haaland was not doing well in between. But still he managed this, and that's why one thing that I'm absolutely sure is this guy is, I guess, the most obsessed manager with football. And that's one of the reason मैं एक player इसके अंडर हमेशा खेलते हुए देखना चाहता था. That was Cristiano Ronaldo, because he's the only player who comes close, or these guys are just really close to each other in terms of obsession related to their football, related to their work, related to their passion.
Yeah.
And I mean, I feel वो बहुत crazy होता है. He might have been one of the very few managers जिससे रोनाल्डो बहुत ज़्यादा emotionally attach हो सकता था. because they share that competitiveness.
Yes, yes.
But that's it. Again, congratulations to Manchester City and Pep Guardiola. He has again owned football.
Manchester City, I mean, this team has made us as well as a lot of people around fall in love. तुम्हारा follower base slowly and gradually increase होते जा रहा है. Manchester City gives me vibes of Barcelona from 2009 जहाँ पे they know the art of tiki-taka. They know how to play beautiful football. Man City का मैच किसी के साथ भी हो, I would happily watch that match because I know they would entertain us for sure. It would be a thriller, there would be high press. पीछे बैठना होना नहीं आता बॉस. And this
Absolutely,
is what I
absolutely.
love about it.
I guess the way Real Madrid is like one of the core grounds of magical football, I guess Man City has become now one of the core grounds of the complete or the perfect football.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be crazy जब तक ये रेस चलता रहेगा and जब तक पेप गार्डियोला वहाँ पे रहेगा, and it's gonna be fun. Just before ending it, there's one thing कि लोग हमेशा bad mouth करते हैं सिटी को because of the financial things that they've broken or the crazy amount of finances they've gotten. Klopp once said that कि तुम same budget, same ऐसा सब किसी और मैनेजर को दो और वो इतना डोमिनेशन लाके दिखाएगा क्या, मुझे
No
बताओ.
chance,
Which
no
manager
chance.
in the world can get you this? And
So
No.
I think Chelsea as well as United have spent more money than Manchester
I guess,
City.
yeah.
I read it somewhere.
In
I'm not
last 4 to
I'm not
5
so
years,
sure
yeah.
about it. But they have spent more money than City. But look at the levels. Look at the team that City has, and look at Chelsea and United. So this really shows what kind of mastermind he is and how he can just change things. Yeah, people were a little bit skeptical whether he would be able to perform in Premier League or not, but boss, उसने पूरा Premier League को upside down कर दिया. And तुम रुको, give him more 4 to 5 years. Sir Alex के भी record वो तोड़ सकता है, उसमें potential है.
easily, वो भी उससे बहुत कम सालों में.
Possibility.
It's gonna be crazy. Chalo, wait. That's it from us today. Thank you so much for making us a part of your day. See you again, guys. Bye.